Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to withdraw money from Zap Surveys, the app that pays you for quick opinions. Guys, firstly, of course, open the Zap Surveys, grab it from the App Store, Google Play Store. If you're new, create a new account or log in with your existing one. After that, on the main screen, check your balance at the top. You need $10 minimum to withdraw now, way better than the old 25. Low on funds, hit a daily survey. They're fast and boost you quick. Step 2. Find the cash out spot. Tap the 3-line menu, bottom right corner, then select rewards or cash out. You'll see a lineup of options, PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Visa prepaid, even Starbucks. Pick one and let's move on. Now make it happen, guys. For PayPal, enter your linked email, triple check it if it's right. Choose the amount, for example 10 or 15, whatever you've got, then hit cash out. After that, it takes about 24 hours, sometimes less, to receive your money. After that, verify the payout. Watch your PayPal or email for a confirmation. Usually lands fast, but exposed say gift cards can take a day extra. And that's it. You've withdrawn money from Zap Surveys. Confirm $10. Hit rewards requested and check your accounts. Like and subscribe for more side hustle hacks. See you next time, my friends.